Hello guys, this is Reese from Maurice St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm comparing two cars. The Volkswagen Atlas 2021 SEL. That is the 2021 SEL in the background there, to the back. And to the front here, this is the 2021 Atlas SEL R-Line. So the big differences with this car I'll go over. One of the things that should jump out at you right away is the 21-inch Brazelton wheels right here on this one versus the regular 20-inch wheels on this one back here. Second thing that'll jump out at you, body colored paint down here below the chrome line at the base of this Atlas, and it's hard plastic at the base of this one. So I'm going to walk in a little closer so you can see that. Body colored paint down here below the chrome, and over here hard plastic below the chrome and also at the bumper. So I'll spin around here. The bumper on the back here, chrome, oversized, no chrome here, chrome up here, oversized reflector here, piano black bumper around the trailer hitch, and a quad exhaust tip setup. If I go over to this one, still no chrome other than right here at the base of the taillights. Down below, it's black plastic and a dual exhaust setup and hard black plastic, dull black plastic down here around the trailer hitch. There's a look at that one. And again, that hard plastic down below. No R-Line badge here. That has an R-Line badge here. And if you look at the front of the car, the aggressive chin right here, air intakes here and here, LED running lights, LED headlights, LED all-weather lights, and a 3-rib grille with the Volkswagen logo in the middle. And if I come over to this one, still have the 3 ribs with the Volkswagen logo, but you have a much more aggressive grille down here at the base. The air intakes, all of this comes in this big swoopy little guy right here, and it's piano black down at the base. So if you look at those, there's this front end and there's that front end. So that's the difference between the R-Lines. It's all visual. Now, on the inside, as we get closer to that R-Line badge right there, it's right into the crease of the door. The only difference on the inside, you'll have an R-Line logo that will show up from time to time at the center of the digital cockpit. This R-Line badge right here at the base of the steering wheel, and you'll have this sporty grip on the steering wheel. This dimpled grip on this new steering wheel. If I go over to this one, let's look at that front end again. No R-Line logo, no dimpled grip, and no R-Line logo up here. Those are your differences. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call. 636-290-4257. Or better yet, leave your questions in the comments. 636-290-4257. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day. Oh, and each one of these cars comes with the 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Volkswagen. And if you buy from me at Maurice St. Peter's, you get a 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty, free of charge, nationwide. Give me a call, shoot me an email, give me a text, ask for me. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.